What's good, crypto crew? If you're grinding through your morning Joe in New York or hustling in LA, welcome back to the channel where we turn squiggly lines into straight-up gains. I'm talking that iconic Bitcoin chart you've been eyeing, the one that's got the whole market buzzing like it's Super Bowl Sunday. This is BTC USDT perps on a daily time frame, captured right around October 8th, 2025, with King Bitcoin flexing at $121,270 after a wild ride. New here, hit subscribe and that bell. We're decoding this beast with zero fluff. Just raw energy to fuel your next trade. Let's crank it up and ride this wave. Check the main arena. Those candlesticks are painting a masterpiece of resilience. Back in late September, BTC was lounging around $115K, dipping like it was testing the waters after summer's heat. Then boom, early October hits, and it's a green explosion, surging past $124K highs like a rocket dodging asteroids. That's a crisp 8% pump, fueled by ETF inflows hitting record $17.8 billion in volume, and whales stacking like it's Black Friday. But here's the plot twist. It pulls back sharp to that $120.6 thousand low, shaking out the paper hands with a 0.83% dip in the last 24 hours. Volumes roaring at 145K BTC traded. That's $17.8 billion in action. Folks showing the big dogs are still in, not out, right now, at $121,270. It's coiling like a spring, whispering one more push, amid BTC's all-time high vibes from July's $112K smash. Overlay those trend lines, and it's like Bitcoin's handing you a roadmap to riches. EMAs are stacking like a Vegas high rollers chips. The 7-day at $122,100 and $47 hugging price from below, crossing golden with the 25-day at $122,300 and $31 and 50-day at $121,030. Even the 100-day, $118,712 and 200-day, $116,635 are sloping up, forming a bullish highway with higher lows screaming up only. Bollinger Bands, squeezed tight around $121K. Low volume means volatility's about to erupt, and history says it's upward 80% of the time post-squeeze. Parabolic SAR dots dancing below price. That's your green light for momentum flipping bullish. MACD's histogram bars perking up from -251 to positive territory. Line crossing signal like a mic drop. Buyers are taking the wheel. Volume profiles spiking with 5-day MA at 22, 5M and 10-day at 28, 1M. Confirming the rally's got legs, not just hot air. Drop to RSI, that 37.2 reading. It's like BTC's been in the gym, oversold and rebounding hard from 30 support with bullish divergence. No more panic sells, this is set up for a squeeze play, paired with that MACD flip and SAR confirmation. The chart's basically fist bumping. We're building for blast-off. Real talk, this snapshot's got Bitcoin in prime consolidation after that epic rally, respecting supports like a pro, while indicators align for fireworks. Remember 2024's post-halving pump. BTC turned $70K into $100K plus on similar vibes, with exchange balances at 2019 lows and institutional FOMO, ETFs sucking in billions. This pullback's just premium fuel for the fire. In a world where tariffs and geopolitics try to crash the party, BTC's standing tall at $122K today, up 0.31% and eyeing new ATHs. Price prediction, BTC's next moves. USA traders, get your bags ready. Short-term fireworks incoming. Over the next 14 days, I'm calling a bounce to $127K, $129K. That's a solid 5 to 6% lift if volume stays north of 140K daily. Why the heat? Bullish pennant breaking higher, open interest surging, and Fed rate cut whispers pulling alts and BTC along. Crack $129K, and we're blasting to $132K by end October. Straight 9% rocket, per analyst consensus. Zoom out to Q4 2025, moonshot territory. No doubt, the bulls are charging. Changely sees $123K, $132K this month alone. Long forecast at $130K, end October, rising to $137K November. And Coin Codex forecasting $132K by mid-month en route to $290K average for the year. CoinDCXI's $128K $132K Q4 with ETF flows rebounding. While heavy hitters like Bernstein and 10x Research scream $200K by year-end on institutional waves and having echoes. Coinpedia's aggressive at $175K peak. And even Forbes whispers $180K $250K on adoption surges. Bearish noise, one outlier yelling $10K crash. But that's drowned out by the herd. My hot take, $150K by December, 25% from here. Flipping a $10K stack to $12.5 thousand easy. Fueled by supply crunches and Wall Street piling in. Long game, $200K plus EOY, if ETFs hit $190 billion AUM. But yo, crypto's a rodeo, DCA those dips. Set stops and DYOR, not advice, just chart-fueled fire. You feeling the pump or playing it cool? Smash comments with your targets, like if this lit your fuse, and subscribe for daily deep dives. Bitcoin's not just surviving, it's thriving. Let's stack those sats and conquer 2025.